Hey, this is Don. We're still here in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia, and we're going to go over to the night market and see what they have. So just for reference, there is the gelato shop. If you don't know what gelato is, it is basically ice cream. Only difference is it has a little bit less cream and more milk. Little bit different texture. It's really good though. So just for reference, here is the market. And where we're going to go today is in between the two sections of the market. So I walked down to it yesterday, but I haven't walked through it yet. But when I got to it, I decided, well, I need to do a video on this. You can see this from the street. Not sure how big it is. Looks like it could be a nice market. Hello. The tote bag. Somebody getting something good to drink. Oh, you don't see that every day. Ducks with shoes. That's nice. Hello. I like him. See the Prada knit bag.
Ini ngajak karyawan baru ya, Jan? Oh, nyendok? Hah?
We're getting a nice little breeze now. Feels good. Scooters everywhere.
No, not the one.
Oh, that's not which one?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to see first.
帮我杀价。
The weight doesn't matter. Nice product.
Nice chest cases, hats. Some art in the art market.
صدقني كوبي جوكو.
Hello.
Едет, катится.
Hello, sir. Have a look, please.
Not right now, but thank you. Bitang. Hard Rock Cafe Bali. I don't know where that is. It's not in Ubud, I know that. A lot of bright colors. Nice souvenirs for the surfer in your life. Knives. Sure they are.
Not so much for you. That's just for you.
Going to be questioned in the airport. Very nice. Some more ducks with shoes. And even giraffes. It looks like right there is the end of it. Oh, little VW microbuses with surfboards. It's nice. Uh-oh. Covered my microphone. Hopefully I got rid of that music. I think it's a major highway here. Ubud Art Market.